Hi everyone, I am Dr. A. Sethapathy, Assistant Professor, Department of Mechanical Engineering, SNS College of Engineering, Coimbatore. I heartily invite you all for my lecture series video. So in this video, we are going to discuss about solid state sensors. So what is solid state sensors and where it is used in the mechatronics systems? So mostly the solid state sensors are semiconductors. It is used in different areas like temperature sensors and pressure sensors and some other where we are using electrical signals into converting the digital. So in these areas we are using solid state sensors. So this is the critical components in various applications. So converting physical phenomena. For example, the pressure sensor, we are touching the semiconductors. How much amount of load we will be applied on that area, that will be give the electrical signals. That signal is converted into the digital transmission. So these type of areas we are using in the solid state sensors. So this is the ideal for modern technologies. So this is the definition. Solid state sensors use semiconductor materials for detections only. So solid state sensors are only for the detecting and creating the electrical signals. So what is the advantages of the solid state sensors are high sensitivity and low power consumption. So we are using small amount of power for the solid state sensors and the sensing sensitivity is very high. So for this sensor, they are using in the application of automotives and medical fields and some other consumer electronic devices. So in this solid state sensor, how it will be worked and where it is fixed. First one is temperature sensors. We are using semiconductor materials like thermistors and diodes to accurately measure temperature changes. So temperature sensors we are mostly used in the solid state sensors and semiconductor sensors. Then pressure sensors, this is employ piezoelectric or capacitive techniques to detect pressure variations. So this is widely used in the automotive and aerospace applications and monitoring systems. In pressure sensors, the piezoelectric or capacitive technique means this is the applying a load on the sensor stop side. The load will be uh, compress the sensors and the compression will be converted into electrical signals. That signals is converted into pulse. That pulse is finally digital output. So this is the pressure sensors. The digital output will be giving the how much amount of energy we are utilizing and it will be given in these newtons. Then gas sensors, this is the oxide semiconductors we are using in the gas sensors. So these sensors are detect the gas concentrations and playing a very big role in environmental monitoring and safety systems. So gas sensors we are using in the environmental monitoring systems, how much amount of pollution will be affected in this atmosphere. So the gas sensors will be detected for the gas percentages and compositions in the environment conditions. Then light sensors include photodiodes and phototransistors. So in this sensor, the light converted into electric signals and this is used in the cameras and smartphones and automatic lighting systems. So in these areas, we are using in the solid state light sensors. So in this working principle, they are divided into three types. One is physics and another one is mechanisms and finally signal conditioning. So semiconductor physics, this is the properties of semiconductors. It is physical parameters affect conductivity and enabling signal generation. So physically we are touching the sensors that will be enabling signal generation. The another one is transduction mechanism. So in this mechanism, resistive transductions methods to convert the physical stimuli into measurable electric signals. So in this type of transduction mechanism, the physical stimuli into measurable electrical signals converted. Another one is signal conditioning. So the raw signal from solid state sensors typically, so that will be amplified in the high frequency to filter and enhance the accuracy of the eliminate noise before processing. So conditioning is the raw electrical signals is uh, amplified and high reached to filtering some noises and eliminate that noises before processing the data. So in future trends, how it will be used. So integration with the IoT, this is one of the main domain and miniaturization. So the sensors are used in the small sizes and compactability and enhanced sensitivity. The sensitivity properties will be increased in this solid state sensors. The cost will be reduced. So the amount of the price of the semiconductors is reduced for using some other alternate materials or some other alternating manufacturing process. So this is the future trends in solid state sensors. Thank you.